Fresh political row has erupted in West Bengal after Janata Unayan Party chief Humayun Kabir announced that construction of a new Babri Masjid in Murshidabad will begin today. Kabir says that the foundation stone will be laid in Beldanga at noon with around 5,000 people expected to attend following Quran recitation in the morning. The announcement comes weeks after Kabir was suspended from the Trinamool Congress over a similar plan announced earlier for December 6, the anniversary of the 1992 Babri Masjid demolition. The TMC had distanced itself, saying that it had repeatedly warned him and would have no association with the project. After his suspension, Kabir floated his own party and announced plans to contest the upcoming assembly elections while also attacking Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The renewed announcement has drawn sharp criticism, with the BJP calling it an attempt at political polarization, even as the TMC questions Kabir's political past. The issue is once again heating up at the state's already charged political atmosphere. Here's what UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said on the issue.
ये डबल इंजन की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में, उनके मार्गदर्शन में जो बोलती है वह करके दिखाती है, और जितना करती है उतना ही बोलती है। हम लोगों ने कहा था ना कि रामलला हम आएंगे, मंदिर वहीं बन गया ना, मंदिर अयोध्या में। कोई संदेह है? कोई संदेह है? और हम आज फिर इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि कयामत के दिन तक भी कभी, कयामत का दिन तो कभी आना ही नहीं है, और इसलिए बाबरी ढांचे का पुनर्निर्माण कभी होना ही नहीं है। जो कयामत के दिन आने का सपना देख रहे हैं, ऐसे ही सड़गल जाएंगे, कभी वह दिन आने वाला नहीं है।
Well, for more on this, I'm being joined by my colleague Ravi Shankar Datta. Ravi Shankar, it looks like Humayun Kabir is not going to back down from his demand of constructing a new Babri Masjid.
See, at present, if you say that, it is absolutely correct that there is no circumstances that it may look like that Humayun Kabir is backing down from his project. You can see that the place I am standing, the pandal is being made here, and the people will sit here and they will recite the Quran. After that, the construction work will start. I will show you all the bits and pieces. You can see that people are gathering here. They are coming here. They will be sitting and they will be reciting the Quran. You can see that they are coming. I want to talk to them, these people, what they are actually feeling. We must know. Dada ekটু আসবেন একটু কাছে, প্লিজ প্লিজ। কেমন লাগছে?
এটা ভালো লাগছে, মানে আজকে পবিত্র বাবরি মসজিদের যে শুভ উদ্বোধন, আমরা এসেছি, তাদের কাজকর্ম দেখে খুব ভালো লাগছে, এবং এখানকার স্বেচ্ছাসেবক যারা ভলান্টিয়ার আছেন তারা খুব যত্ন সহকারে মানুষকে পরিষেবা দিচ্ছেন। এবং
দেখলাম আপনি মাথায় করে ইট নিয়ে আসছিলেন।
জি হ্যাঁ, মাথায়
করে ইট দিলেন?
হ্যাঁ, আমি দিয়েছি, দুটো ইট দিয়েছি। জি,
আমি 100 ইট দিয়েছি, 100 ইট দিয়েছি, টাকা দিয়েছি, 10 টাকা করে নিয়েছে,
1000 টাকা দিয়েছে,
1000 টাকা দিয়েছে, আরো দেবো ইট, আরো আর পরিবর্তে কাজ করলে।
আমরা ঘুরতে এসেছি।
আচ্ছা, দেখতে এসেছি।
দেখতে এসেছি।
কেমন লাগছে?
ভালো, খুবই ভালো।
See, people here are reacting that they are very much happy about this construction of the Babri Masjid. We may forget, we shall forget actually the past, whatever happened regarding the Babri controversy. And at present, you can see these bricks. They are gifting these bricks 10 rupees per piece to the for the sake of this construction. And I will show you the construction area. You will see, and you see that the pace the work is going on. That is clearly amazing. You can see that. I will ask you, you see that these bricks that are being given, people are donating these bricks. You can see at far there is a brickyard where from there they are taking the bricks and this construction part is going on. After 12:15, the actual construction carge of cementing this thing, it will walk. This is 15 feet deep and people are walking. You can see the JCBs, they are still cutting up the muds, and you can see that people have gathered here. They have emotions before the Eid. This is a very happy moment for them, where they had prayed for a long time for a masjid, and if it is in the name of Babri, it is beyond happiness. So you can see that what is happening here is historical, and it will rewrite the history of Bengal in a new way in the coming days. Ahead of West Bengal polls, it may create behind. See that these people, those who are standing here, they have a different emotions. Let me talk to the people and understand what actually they are feeling. कैमन लगता है?
हमको ये मस्जिद बन रही है यहाँ पर बिलडंगा में, तो हमको बहुत खुशी, में जम्मू से आया हूँ। जम्मू से हमको खुशी पैदा हुई, हम यहाँ पर पहुँचे हो मुर्शिदाबाद में, ये मस्जिद बनी बाबरी मस्जिद, हमको इस चीज़ की बहुत खुशी हुई। हम जम्मू देना लिया, हाँ देंगे अभी आएंगे, देंगे 10,000 रुपये देंगे।
यहाँ पे लोग ईंट खरीद रहे हैं ईंट देने के लिए, कुछ लोग 100 ईंट
हाँ 10,000 रुपया देंगे हम।
अच्छा,
हम लोग
देंगे। आप कहाँ से आए?
मैं जम्मू से आया हूँ।
আমার বাড়ি জাহানপুর।
মানে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মানুষ আপনি? আচ্ছা, কি ডোনেট করলেন, মানে কি দিলেন মসজিদকে? লোকে ইট দিচ্ছে, আপনি কিছু দিয়েছেন?
বুঝতে পারছিলাম না কথা।
বলছি লোকে এখানে ইট দিয়েছে, আপনি কিছু দিয়েছেন এখন অবধি? ইট দিয়েছে,
ইট আমি দিতে পারিনি, অল্প দিয়েছি।
আচ্ছা, আপনি কোথা থেকে এসেছেন?
আমার বাড়ি নওদা থানা।
নওদা থানা। কি দিচ্ছেন?
আমি ইট দিয়েছি,
ইট
দিয়েছি, টাকা দিয়েছি।
আপনারা?
আমার বাড়ি দমদমা, নওদা থানা।
আচ্ছা, আপনারা এসেছেন এখানে কি দিলেন?
Well, looks like the construction for the new Babri Masjid is now underway. Locals are coming there, helping out voluntarily, working in. Well, we have a reaction coming in from the man himself, Humayun Kabir. Let's listen in.
इतना आदमी, इतना आबादी मेरा साथ दिया, इसको शुक्रिया करते हैं। जो मेरा आदमी मेरा साथ देगा तो कोई हिम्मत नहीं होगा ये रोकने के लिए। जो विरोध करने दीजिए, इंशाल्लाह ये काम पूरा करेगी। 2 साल से पूरा बाबरी मस्जिद यहाँ स्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट हो जाएगी।
Well, it looks like the construction for the new Babri Masjid is underway. Locals are gathering there and are donating bricks and voluntarily participating in constructing the Babri Masjid with their own hands. The renewed announcement, however, has drawn sharp criticism from the BJP. Ravi Shankar is back with me. Ravi Shankar, what is happening there? We earlier spoke to some locals who seem quite happy with the construction of the new masjid.
See, it's beyond expectation that people are coming from Jammu. We spoke to that person, he has coming from Jammu, and he has only come because the masjid in the name of Babri Masjid is being constructed, and he will donate 10,000 rupees for this cause. You can see that thousands of people are gathering here. They are on a mission to build this masjid, which is a sentiment for them, and they are happy because in front, when the Eid is coming, the Ramzan will start within a month. When a masjid is coming up, it's their sentiment, and they are happy that by a political party and a leader for the minorities, and they are acting here as if they are a part of the construction team. And I am saying that you can see that all these people, those who have gathered here, they have come here for a cause. The cause is the construction of the Babri Masjid, and as I said, people from different parts of the country are coming for the cause of building the Babri Masjid, which is related to their sentiment.
Thank you so much, Ravi Shankar Datta, for joining me on the broadcast. For now, the construction for the new Babri Masjid is underway.